Hello and welcome to the club. Today I brought something very special, and it's such a warm day I'm really sweating. And here it is. Today we are testing a dollar store multi-tool. Yeah, this is really cool. I didn't buy it initially, and then I went back and I bought it. It was $1.50. So I had to clear away some dead branches, but this seems to be a great place to unbox it. It does not come in one of those cut me open packages. This is just an old-fashioned blister which flips open very easy. And there it is, the man tool. So now let's check out what it comes with. And it does have a bottle opener. It says man tool in German, and it comes with some accessories like a heavy duty bottle opener. It seems to be made out of some plastic but with metal inside. It does have a corkscrew, a very solid corkscrew. Now that's a can opener. Is this two types of bottle openers? I don't know. Maybe a can opener, but it doesn't look like a can opener. But here is the thing you're all looking for. It does come with a knife, and this actually makes it a pocket knife multi-tool. Yeah, now let's see. Yeah. Nah. Is it sharp? No. Bust. But let's test it anyhow. So, now, first of all, let's see how it performs by making feather sticks. Well, I can remove the bark, but it is so dull. Doesn't carve a single thing. Very disappointing. So now let's try betoning it through some wood. So. The tool versus block of wood. No. No. Well, this is just performing so bad. I think they can sell this. This is the kind of knife you can take on a plane, because it's literally just a wobbly piece of metal without any kind of usability. This is it's like they forgot to sharpen it. So what I will do is I will sharpen it at home and we will test it again. Yeah, I mean, it seems to be relatively sturdy made, completely metal core. The blade is, yeah, it has play, but I've seen worse, but also far better. The bottle opener seems sturdy. Corkscrew seems sturdy. This useless kind of opener here. I don't know. I have to modify this and give it another try, because using this to make a fire is completely useless. So let's try to torture test the corkscrew. It just started raining. Yeah, it went in. Yeah, you cannot touch it to it. But it's really surprising how dull this knife really is. It's like, let's take a different stick here. Like really, you can't even stretch the wood itself. It's so terribly dull. I have to stop filming now, because that's my good camera and I don't want it to get destroyed. Yeah, so wait a minute. Let me just build a roof for my camera here. Yeah. Okay. Normally you just throw this in the trash, because the only useful thing on here is the corkscrew and the bottle opener. And well, I don't drink, so yeah. But since it has warranty, I will try to modify it. At least try to sharpen the blade, and then I give it a try. Benefit of the doubt, the guy in the factory was having a day off. That's why it didn't get sharpened. Yeah. Well, if this video isn't especially long, I will put it on right here, showing me sharpen it and modify it and test it. And if the video is already long, I will simply call this part 2 and put a link in the description. So if the link isn't already there, I haven't made it yet. That means you can subscribe and watch it later when it's finished. Yeah, enough talking. Well, I go back home. Nothing else to do here.